Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So for example, let's go to the Vue.js here. You will be able to see the pinia. Oh, right now we are not able to see the pinia. Let's refresh this page, or otherwise now we will try to check it here. Now also we are not able to get the pinia. Let's refresh this page again. Yeah, now we are able to see the pinia thing. Now if you try to see the node store, in this node store, here the array is empty, right? Let's try to log in with the test@test.com and 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is our login, and if I try to log in here, we will be able to see the nodes array has been filled with one nodes. So one object is there. Now let's log out. Now I am trying to log out. If I log out here, still the nodes array is there. So the nodes array is existing. The previous logged in user, the nodes array is existing. Now if I try to log in with another user, leela@leela.com, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if I log in here, you will be able to see the nodes array has been updated to array of 2. Now if I log out here, now here we will be able to see. Now let's try to make it this one, this side. Yeah. Now if I try to log it with a test@test.com, so which consists of only one nodes, right? So if I try to log in here, at the now here it has been updated. So that means even when the user is logged out, then also we are saving this one, the nodes, in a pinia store. So it would be better for us if we directly remove, if the user is logged out, the nodes array, if we remove all the nodes data, if the user is logged out automatically. For that, what we need to do is, let's go to the node store. Here in our node store, what I will try to do is, so here I will add a method, something like constant. Here we will be having get nodes, right? This is the get nodes, and for this one, what I will do is, I will do here clear nodes. I will create a method create nodes, and this could be a constant, and is equal to, here I will add. So whenever the user calls this clear nodes, what I will do, nodes dot value is equal to empty array. So I will try to make this empty array. Let's make it available to the public. Now here I am making it available to the public. Now if I make available it to the public, where I need to call, when the user automatically logs out, we need to call it. So that will be present in the auth store. So here I can call node store. So this is automatically imported, right? Dot clear nodes. I can call this clear nodes here. That's it. So we are calling this clear nodes here. Now we have cleared the nodes. Here let's try to see the code again. So now here the nodes is like this, and now here I am logging it with the leela@leela.com with 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here if I try to log in, we are able to get the nodes, 2 nodes we are able to get it. And if I log out, automatically the node should be removed. Yeah, here this time the nodes is removed. If I log in with test@test.com, now 1 2 3 4 5 6, if I log in here, now we are able to see the nodes here. So this is how we will be cleaning the nodes. And another thing which I want to show you before proceeding, so the thing is, for example, let's say that I am having these nodes, right? So I will try to make here, I will open the 2 tabs, 2 browsers. So here this is our first nodes. I will make it like this, okay? And another one is, I will do Control Shift 10, and here in this one I am keeping it in another place. Yeah, like this. Let's try to make it little bit smaller. Yeah, little bit smaller I made it, and this one is also. Now I am opening this one in an incognito window. Oh, this one is so much big. Yeah, here we'll try to open it parallelly side by side. So now I am opening parallelly side by side, and here I will open localhost 5173. So fine. Now this one is logged in with the test@test.com, right? Now here this one is also, I will log in with test@test.com. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I am logged in. So I am able to see the first nodes, and here. So what I will try to do is, I will try to log out here, and I will log in with the leela@leela.com. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I have logged in with like this. Now if I click on the login, so here I am able to see the Leela nodes, and here this is the test nodes, and this is the Leela nodes. Now what I will try to do is, I am trying to add the nodes in the test user. So dummy notes or something like this I am adding. So when I click on this add note, so here automatically this has been added. But if you try to see here, so the notes which are available for the test user, we are also able to see in this user also, but this user is different, leela@leela.com. okay, now when I am trying to add a new notes to the test, so Leela is also getting updated. If I try to refresh this page, if you see here, this time the notes differs. Previously the dummy notes, this one is there. For example, if I try to add it another one, another test user notes, I am trying to add it. When I am trying to add here, immediately here this one also getting updated. Now if you try to see here, so this time it is not updating. Why it is not updating is I will try to show you. So for example, let's say that I am logging out. Okay, first I will try to log in with the test@test.com 1 2 3 4 5 6. okay, so I am logged in, so I am able to see dummy notes and all those things. I am logging out. Now I will be logging out with the leela@leela.com. okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 6 I am able to see it. So this time we are able to see another set. So here test user notes, I will add it here, and if I click on the add news, see here all the notes has been changed. So this should not be happen like this, right? The notes should be available only for the Leela, but here when I am trying to add some notes to the test user, all the notes which are available for the test are able to see by the Leela also. This should not be happen. Why it is happening is, for example, let's say that here when you are trying to check in the note store, when you are trying to get the notes here, we are listening, we are initiating a event listener on snapshot event listener, and this one will be always looking at for the user server. So first of all, you logged in at the first time you logged in with the test@test.com, and this one is listening to the test user notes, and immediately you logged out, but still this one is listening. You haven't unsubscribed to this one, and afterwards when you are logging in again with the Leela also, so again you have started an event listener for the Leela. But when I am trying to add for the test, already a event listener is there which is listening for the test, automatically it is displaying. So in order to stop this one, what we can do is so here I can use let's nodes snapshot. okay, so node snapshot is equal to null. I will create it like this, and here we need to initialize with for this one node snapshot is equal to. Now whenever you are trying to clear the nodes, so this will be called while logging out, right? So while logging out, this will clear out. So here you can write a condition in such a way that if node snapshot is there, then call this node snapshot. That's it. Now if you try to do the same thing, if you try to perform the same thing, now you will be able to observe it. Now let's try to log out. Both the users I will try to log out. Here also I will try to log out and refresh this page, and also refresh this page. okay, and now here I will be logging it with the test@test.com. so only one user I will be logging it. In the same scenario, I will log in with the test@test.com for this one also, test@test.com, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here let's press on the login. So here I am able to see. This time I will log out. Now I will log in with the leela@leela.com. okay, now if I try to do the same thing here, so now we are able to see the notes. Now here I will add test user another notes. okay, and I will click on the add new node. See here it has been added, but here it didn't get updated. See, this is how we can stop the listening this one. So we need to stop the listening. So this is all about the small tweaks which we want to do it before closing of the session. So hope you understood about this concept. If you have, and I will commit this all the code in new branch video-108. So whoever may be having doubts, they can watch this one video-108, and in this one I am committing all the code, add auth store or something like this, and I will commit this code. So I am publishing this branch. Whoever may be having doubts and all those things, as I already told you, right? So we already have a GitHub repository URL which is provided in the description below of every video. So this is our GitHub repository URL. Whoever may be having a doubts on this code, so you can refer to this GitHub repository URL and they can see the code. So whatever the video branch you are trying to check, whatever the video you are trying to see, you can go to the particular video branch and you can check the reference code. Hope you understood about this concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.